Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Pokémon GO Plus with Pokémon Sleep app. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, then select pair device again. Now we need to press on the main button. Now if this doesn't work for you, try pressing this button instead. And then proceed to press on this button again. Now we need to press the same button, but at the same time hold the button on top right here. And the device is paired. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.